Meaning of frightening.
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 Frightening. Frightening refers to something that causes fear or terror in an individual. It is used to describe a situation or object that is perceived as being dangerous or threatening. This emotion can be triggered by various factors such as loud noises, sudden movements, or unexpected events. When someone is frightened, their heart rate increases, they may startle or freeze, and their body goes into a fight or flight response. Overall, the feeling of being frightened is a natural and instinctual reaction that helps individuals to survive potential danger.